Hello friends, this is Dhruvi here. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, if you are seeing my face for the first time, then if you like what you see, then please do subscribe to this channel and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Okay, before that I would love to tell you guys that if you are looking for a video that if you want your Valentine days to be in a budget and at last moment and instant, then I have uploaded a series of that last year, so you can click on that I button or links are given in the description box, and how to propose a girl, how to say I love you, and much more things I have already done on my channel, so you can click on the links given in the description box. Okay, for today I have something literally interesting and something different. It's like that I came across to some of the images which states that you have to wear this type of outfit on Valentine Day, and the color of your outfit states something, like it has a reason of wearing that outfit. So without wasting time, let's go to the video. Okay, so on Valentine Day, that is on 14th Feb, please select your clothes very properly. Select color of your clothes very properly. Don't blindly wear red. It has a meaning. So if you guys, I didn't knew before few days. So when I knew, I thought sharing with you guys. So please share this video with your friends, so even they'll know and it will be fun. They'll know about this. Okay, so if you're wearing red color, then it means you're already in love. If you're wearing blue, it means love application accepted. So if someone is proposing, you'll say yes. If you're wearing green, it means that you're waiting for someone to propose. And if you're wearing yellow, it means you have recently broke up. And if you're wearing black, then you have rejected someone in few days, or you're gonna reject someone or whoever proposes you. And if you're wearing white, it means already booked, like engaged. And if you're wearing pink, it means that proposal is accepted, like someone proposed you and you have accepted it. And if you're wearing orange, it means you are going to propose someone. There are different days before Valentine Day, like propose day, chocolate day, rose day, etc, etc. So it is related to something that, so wear your outfit, wear the colors of your outfit very selectively on that day. Okay, and if you are single, then also you want to celebrate these days, then don't forget to watch my last year series. It was amazing. And that's all for today. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Please give a big thumbs up. Okay, that's all. And click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a video. Don't forget, I come every Monday and Friday with something new. That's it. Bye bye.